In this video, I will show you how to download all files from Google Drive at once. So I'm going to show you how you can do that on your computer and how you can do that on your mobile device. So the first step on computer is to simply select one of your files, and then you're gonna have to simply press on your keyboard. So if you're using a MacBook, simply press Command and A at the same time. And you can do the same thing on Windows, so simply press Control A on your keyboard, and as you can see, we just selected all the files from our drive. Then simply click on these three dots and then click on download, and basically that's it. Now, if you want to do that on your mobile device, what you're gonna have to do is simply select one of your files. So let me go back here. So you're gonna have to tap and hold on your files, and then you're gonna have to simply tap on this square icon. Now, what you're gonna have to do is make sure that you don't select the folders. So if you do this on your mobile device, don't select the folders because you cannot download them, uh, all of them at once if you include the folders basically. Now, after you do that, you're gonna have to simply tap on these three dots and then simply tap on download, and basically that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.